paper. What can you say about the latest issue now in Congress? Anything that you can say about it?
All I can say is that we should stop complaining and rubbing mouth about things happening around us. It is because it is only through working hand in hand that we can achieve the social, economic, and political stability of our country, thus ensuring us a better place to live in.
Ano?
Makabisita ka dito sa Pinas.
Thank you very much, Miss
Uwi ka na, Kamo! Uwi ka na!
So now we move on to Miss USA Katrina Halili. Okay. Ayan.
Ay, Nay!
Candidate number 10, Katrina Halili. I remember sa Darna, Black, ano ba yung Black Darna? Ano ba yung Black Darna?
Actually, the Black Darna is a character from the teleserye Darna, in which it is she's the counterpart of